Welcome back. We are going to explore the fresh S4 HANA system. In the last video, we saw how I was barely able to manage to deploy the SAP S4 HANA server onto GCP via SAP Cloud Appliance Library. And today, we are going to explore the fresh S4 HANA system that is deployed, and my primary goal of this video is to explore company codes, explore master data like BP and contract account, and then create a FICA document, post a debit entry, and then make a payment by a payment lot. That's the end goal of this video. I am excited. Are you excited? Let's get into it. How can I check how many company codes are there in the system? That's a good question. I think some T code T001 or something. What is the table to check the company code? Yes, T001. That's what we need. Slash n SE16H. Let's open table T001 and the company code. We will group it and then we will execute it. Oh yeah, I am seeing quite a lot company code actually. There are 70 company codes. Multiple countries, multiple company codes we have. Okay, we have some company codes. So let's just simply try to create some BPs. Let's create an organization. Let's put name as SpaceX company. Let's see what else we have. Address overview, identification. Okay, external BP number, maybe we can put something. SPA hyphen 123. Control. These are some of the important things. I think BP type we have to give. Partner type 001. Let's put this. Tax classification. Tax classification US does not exist. Why the US is not exist? Maybe never mind. We will not give then. We will come back later. Payment transaction. These are the that I can set up for incoming and outgoing payments. We will come back here later. Okay, let's save it. Is it getting saved? We don't know. Oh yeah, business partner is created, which is good. Which doesn't have any address. We doesn't have anything. Let's add some few more roles here. Now we have the business partner and financial services BP. Okay, let's change this financial service one. Business partner display and change. Okay, special customer. Okay, is this a VIP customer? I don't know. These are some of the new fields that I'm seeing. VIP customer, undesirable customer. Oh my god, that's a new new fields I think SAP has added in this 2022. Let's give some address. Country we will write US star base. Enter a postal code. Oh man, let me Google it. Bukachka, that one we need. Oh, we are getting diverted here. What is the address of this? Is what we need. We just need this 78521, and here we will put TX. Communication language is English. Email we can put comments onboarded. That address we added, so this is there. Okay, so this will be part of our standard address. We can have multiple addresses based on for different things, but that's fine. Identification, we have already added a identification. Oh, here you can put legal entity, liquidation date, international location 1 and 2, multiple things you can put. Control, data origin you can put, like where does the data comes, right? Is this a legacy data transfer, or is it what a purchased address data set? Or okay, that's a good idea actually. Like from where you can, I think I should be able to set up this also, like the origins, different origins. Let's say it's coming from a different portal or anything kind of thing. For financial services BP, we are getting these ratings and credit worthiness. These are important for to calculate collections, like how the person, uh, what kind of collection strategies we are going to put based on this credit worthiness data. These are your ratings. What is a rating procedure? We'll ignore it. That we you can give some ratings. Okay. So maybe let's do some FICA is there. FICA rating, internal rating, credit safe rating. Okay, maybe we can put FICA rating, something like that. And we are going to give him 5 star maybe. No values is fine. Oh, that's awesome. What is this? I'm just putting F1 to read more about it. Indicates the result of a rating for a business partner carried out with a rating procedure. Oh, this can be automatic assignment. The rating for a rating procedure is valid within a specific time period. You can set the rating allowed checkbox to show that business partner has given permission to you to collect and save rating. You need to do some of the configurations here in financial services general setting. You want to assess the you therefore rate the customer using a Moody's rating procedure. What's a Moody's rating procedure, man? Moody's rating procedure involves comprehensive data-driven assessment where an analytical team evaluates an issuer's financial health. Oh, okay. According to rating, the credit standing is good. The customer is given a rating BAA1. Can I write here BAA1? Sure. Credit worthiness. These are your. I think this rating will come also here. That rating that we saw. Oh, okay, okay, okay. See, these are all your rating. A long term, 3BB, long term BBB minus. Okay. Oh, these are the actual rating 3B plus. Oh, okay. Can I put 3B plus? I mean, it's not defined, so it's not coming. So I think it's not good. Credit standing. Do you have some VIP preferable credit standing? Very good. Okay, we can have very good. Okay, date. We can put date. I have no idea what is Moody's. Acha, okay. What type of institution providing credit standing information? Who is the institution that is? Okay, okay. Define trading institute. Okay. So those kind of things also we can put. Okay, that's awesome. Actually, I didn't know that. We can put this Moody's one. If it is a bankrupt customer, those things also we can have here. Financial reporting data. Okay, these are all mostly for reporting purpose. Okay, so I am not adding those things now. Fiscal year 2025 and balance sheet currency, that is something I think USD. Okay, here you can put like balance sheet total, equity capital. Fine, I think that's good enough. Let's add a contract partner role also. MKK contract partner. Yes, do you want to save this info? Yes, of course I'm going to save it. This is something that needs to be done to create the contract accounts for this. We don't have much things to do here, just create and save it basically. Okay, credit profile is there, risk class, no default risk, and then we will save it. One more time I will open and we will search for that BP. Okay, display and change. Okay, we will whatever the things we maintained: business partner general, contract partner, and financial services BP. As the goal is only for FICA, I don't think I need to maintain anything else like oh, I think I have to maintain this company code. That's correct. So let's put a company code here. Company codes. Here we don't have anything. Okay, I think I have to go into the change mode first. Okay, let's go into the change mode. Oh yeah, 1710 automatically is getting assigned here. No, why it got automatically assigned? What is the 1710 company code? Where did it come? Oh yeah, this one, Palo Alto USD. I mean, how can I change it? Okay, switch company codes. That's good. We need that. US 01. Payment details is there. Payment determination ID. Currency. Payment determination ID. House bank. Acha, okay. All these things are coming here. Payment details. Correspondence type. Okay. Authorizations. Derived flows. Regulatory reporting data in company code. Here some of the things are there which I have no idea. We will just think like we have not seen this part and we'll just save it. No changes were made. It's okay, we did some change. Company codes, create US 01. Okay, press enter. Okay, and then adapt. Here we will come back to this page again, we will see, but for just for now I'm just saving it. But is it getting saved? I'll come back to again to this place. Last N BP and company code is 1710. Why it's 1710? I don't know why it's 1710. Shall I just delete this? Delete this company code. Oh yes, I want to delete that company code. And then I'm going to save it. It's saying that no changes were made. US 01, company codes US 01. Shall we put some here? Maybe correspondence, simple ones. 001 correspondence. Okay. What type of correspondence you want to send? Basically, correspondence means like mails that we send, like print. Do you like the notification that we send? We call them as correspondence, right? For everything, we will send them only emails. Shall I save it now? Oh, yeah. Now the changes have been saved. Now can I go to /n bp, open one more time, 1000249. Oh yeah, now it's changed. That's good. US 01. Relationships. You can have some kind of like, has employee, has not, kind of other things that you can put here, like, other people. But now we will just skip that. It's usually it's more useful when you have some setup, subscription order management, and you are creating solution quotations, or maybe a subscription order. That time probably will be useful, but for now we will just skip that. We will try to assign a contract account for this one. So we'll go to CAA1, contract account category. Okay, application area is automatically C, so that's good. Y1, contract account is coming as internal. SpaceX, contract account. Okay, account in legacy. Okay, make an entry in the mandatory field. We will only keep the account holder or other partner. We are going to put this account holder. Let's put some tolerance group. A key under which agreements are made for the tolerance values for payment differences. Oh, okay. How much uh, variations you can tolerate? Company code group and standard company code. Okay, this, okay, now these are the two things are coming. Company code group is coming 1010, but we did assign there the company code is different. Let's put 1710 because that was a familiar company code that time. Okay, the BP we have maintained a different company code, we saw that, but here is the option was not coming. So maybe we'll have to create that those things. Okay, maybe a new company code group. That's the US 01 that we can create. Okay, payer, pay, paid by. I'm not assigning that. Payer would be like, who is the payer for this? This same person is the payer only. We can add a new business partner for that, like whoever is the payer for it, but we will skip that. Okay, and this is the incoming and outgoing payment, but we didn't maintain any payment in the business partner, right? So that's why it will be now nothing will come. We will maintain and come back here. Dunning and correspondence, sorry. What happened? Long exemption active. Long exemptions. Exemption number active in customizing. Delete sort number. What sort number I gave? What the hell? What is this is coming? I don't know. What is that? Can I just save it? It's not allowing me to save also. Let's Google it. Oh, I'm not able to do anything. Yes, I'm not able to even save it. Shall I just create it one more time? /NCA1 again. See here, the moment I'm coming here, long encryption number active in customizing. Delete short number. What is a short number? Am I going crazy here? What's the problem? And I don't know which configuration this is talking about. Permanent solution is apply the relevant SAP node to patch your FICA component. Oh my god. Instead of Google, can we just Gemini it one more time? This is not a good start. I am already stuck in contract account creation. What do we do? So here, man, let's see what it says. Validation issue related to tax exemption numbers. Okay. I'm just randomly doing something just to. What the hell, man? Okay, can I do one thing? Because there was some other contract account, I have seen that, right? So let's go to how they were able to create it. So let's check this contract account. Jurisdiction code it gave. Okay. Here also it's giving me that. Let's open this BP also. We'll copy this, control Y, control C. Okay. ID 001 American Express. Shareholder is Elon Musk. Okay, 2029. Save it. Now I'll go to /n CA3 create 1 100249. Let's push the reference. Okay. Company code requires a jurisdiction code. Where is the jurisdiction code? Is it coming from the BP? Where do I maintain the jurisdiction code? Here, somewhere here it will be there, correct. Thank you. Okay, now let's try my 100249. Here, jurisdiction code. Now the jurisdiction code is done. Now go to the contract account creation. Now we'll true. Now we will try. Now this is coming at least. Sorry, account holder, tolerance group, YN01, Y1. Oh, thank God. Now it's moving, man. Earlier it was not moving. Oh, I think the main issue was the tax jurisdiction code was not populating. So I think we are good. I mean, now we can put here incoming payment method. Okay, so here I can put the one that we maintained there. Okay, and card ID. There is a card also I can put. So we have a card. So that card also I can put here. Same outgoing payments also I can maintain. Okay, ACH outgoing we can put credit card for outgoing payment. Card outgoing you can put this one. And here we can have like dunning procedure and everything that we will come back once we do the setup of that. And also few more things here you can have like interest key for interest calculations. Okay, and there is one more thing here like collection strategy and all. I think that we need to enable that collection strategy, collection via collection strategy. Then only those things will come here. Okay, billing cycle and all that also we can. Okay, let's see. Now we can put start date is this one. Okay, contract account 000101 is created. Contract account display. We have a contract account created with a. So if you see, this is the period that is opening from. This is monthly ones. Okay, 1/5 to 31/5. Okay, so this is good. So successfully we are able to create now one contract account and one business partner. Okay, now we will come back to here later and we will try to create some FICA documents. Okay.